This new Power Lips intake is the most powerful intake system in the world that you can buy for 24 to 26 500 or 501 bike. There's nothing like it, nothing. It's custom printed, it's custom designed, specifically designed for a 500s engine, that 4-stroke camshaft throttle body. Not a 450, not a generic piece that fits a variety of bikes, very specifically for this bike. And here's the results. That's 1 to 3 horsepower gain through the mid-range versus not having the insert in there at all. That's versus just having the reeds out and leaving it open like a lot of people do. Look how much power you're giving up. Look at this. This is a 3rd gear start in deep wet sand out at the dunes on a slight uphill. No problem. That's with a huge new gummy rear tire and 1448 gearing. Pretty decent amount of juice for a part that only cost 60 bucks. That's what you want. This is designed to work with the ECU programming that I do and the end cap that I provide for the stock muffler. It also works just as well for any person's aftermarket ECU or any other company's slip-on muffler. It's better than the Euro race boot, and it's better as far as overall power goes than the intake tube that we had before. In the next video, I will explain basically how this all came about. Honestly, it wasn't my doing. It was a friend of mine that works at McLaren, yes, the fancy car company over in England, and how he came about it, shared it with me, and we designed one together for the American bike. Then I'll do a last video on the differences between nothing, Euro boot, these things, and the tube. Well, thanks for watching. Get the most powerful intake system you can get. Slide it into your stock airbox. It's only 60 bucks at pinutracing.com or besttoolsportbikes.com. And I hope you have a great day.